let's call this version 2 of the kitchen unit kicking board thing. This is where I want to get to. Now what I've done this time that's different is I've pulled the unit, I've gone into wireframe and I've pulled the unit, top of the unit forward a bit. And the wireframe is more for so we can see what the hell's going on. So I pick this edge down here, and if I do an E and then just drag it up where I want to, then that's going to be fine, although that's a bit scruffy. But what that has done in pulling that up, that's created some two faces. So let's do a in the Z. Wow. Yeah. Okay, that's those two selected. Now I could, what to do? Let's Alt E to extrude along the normals. That's interesting. Why are you doing that? Okay. Maybe I need to be selecting more, do I? Control plus. Alt E to extrude along the normals again. Don't like that. E. Let's just try. Okay. Let's go back to where we were. Right, no duplicates yet. That doesn't look quite right. Shift D. E and the Z. Come back to here. Control, but that's not a face. What was the difference? We had a face. Let's revert. Come back here again. Yeah, that's the one. So E in the Z. That's a face. Highlight the faces. So 3. And do E in the X. Yeah, maybe did I press Z maybe? Yeah, that's okay. That is okay, because although those look at an angle, it's just because the unit itself is at an angle. These are perpendicular. So going back into solid, that I'm going to say it looks okay.